Okay, so first thing is that if x equals a sine of theta, then I'm going to substitute 3 sine of theta in wherever I see an x. So the integral of square root of 9 minus the quantity 3 sine theta squared over 3 sine theta, that quantity squared. Now the thing is, that's dx, so I'm taking the integral with respect to x, so I have to change this to a d theta. So I'm going to take the derivative here, so dx d theta is equal to 3 cosine theta, which means dx will be 3 cosine d theta, cosine theta d theta. So I'm going to add that in right there, times 3 cosine theta d theta. And now I'm going to try to simplify this and make this pretty. Integral of square root of 9 minus 9
back parking lot, please move
sine squared theta
back parking lot should be shut
all
down
over
for
9 sine squared
Anyone that
theta
the front parking lot,
times
back
3
parking lot,
cosine
please
theta
move your
d
car
theta.
or risk it getting hit with a softball. Thank you.
Continuing on. The integral square root of 1 minus sine squared theta, sorry, 9 times quantity 1 minus sine squared theta, all over 9 sine squared theta times 3 cosine theta d theta. Now right here, I have to know that 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to the cosine squared theta, so I'm going to substitute that in. So the integral of the square root of 9 cosine squared theta over 9 sine squared theta times 3 cosine theta d theta. Continuing on, 3 cosine theta times 3 cosine theta all over 9 sine squared theta d theta, which means this is going to be, well, the 3 times 3 is 9, the 9's cancel out, and I will have cosine squared theta over sine squared theta d theta, and this is cotangent squared theta d theta. And I feel like this is an identity, which I don't remember, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to divide all of these by sine squared theta to figure out what it is. So this becomes cosecant squared theta minus 1 equals cotangent squared theta, and there it is. So, we're now paper, integral of cosecant squared theta minus 1 d theta. Now, the antiderivative of cosecant squared theta minus 1 is, well, the antiderivative of cosecant squared theta is negative cotangent squared, no, negative cotangent theta. Antiderivative of 1 is just theta plus c. I think. Yes. Boom. Was that